Hello, I'm Math, and you're on the moon. Actually, I'm on the moon. I don't know where you're at right now, but I am on the moon. And today, oh, I meant to do stuff off camera, and I didn't. I just hit the record button. So I'm gonna pause and sieve stuff for a little bit. I'll be right back. So, I have replaced some of my tools with stone tools, except for my sword. I've got a stone pickaxe and a stone shovel now. I've, done a little bit of sieving. So I have this sieve here. So when you sieve moon turf, you get the following things. You get bone meal, bone, flint, redstone, glowstone dust, ancient spores, and gunpowder. So that means I can complete that quest. I've got one of each of all of those things right there. So that's get turf, the moon's dust. I wonder what this would give when shoved in some netting. And we get sucrose, which is a reward, and I get to pick a reward bag. So this right here is kind of fun because this is actually a chemical composition of sucrose. And I'll show you what it is in a second here. Let's claim this reward here. Claim that reward there. And as you can see, it's got the chemical composition of sucrose, which is 12 carbon, 22 hydrogen, and 11 oxygen. And it's stable, and it's solid. And it's part of Minechem, which is a fun mod, and we'll explore that in the near future. It looks like we got a greater reward bag. Okay, greater reward bag. Alright, we got a filled fuel canister, which I guess that will help us get off this godforsaken moon at some point in the future. Let's go ahead and put this down here. Oh, okay. We gotta put the thing back in the thing for a second. That way we can power up the stuff. It's a technical term. Put the star back in the thing so we can get some more oxygen. Okay, yeah. Because there's actually a battery underneath here, I believe. Yeah, see, there's a battery here, and it hasn't stored up any RF, so let's let that store up a little bit of RF. I'll leave that in there for a few minutes. So, as for moon dirt, we get a few things here, but we're missing a few. So, yeah, we're gonna have to wait till we get some more of that. And let me put that here. Now, when I broke that, it gives you Tyrian, which is futuristic armor plating block with dent. Oh, okay. I guess that's the kind it is. So what we're really going to need in order to build anything significant is we're going to need moon rock. So moon rock gives us coal, clay, broken aluminium, broken copper, raw silicon, ice, lapis, fallen meteor, diamond, etc. You have a chance to get gold from that quest too. So let's go ahead, grab a couple of dirt that we've been harvesting here. Do we have 10 yet? No, we only have 8. So let us crook and cut down this tree here. Let's see if we can get some more stuff and things. Just need 16 more tree saplings. So that I can get some more dirt. I can see those weird lines coming off the star from here. That is really weird. There you go. It's always nice when that happens. Wow, that tree sapling went all the way over there, and looks like it only gave us about 15. So, oh wait, no, wait. There we go. We can't leave it like that, though. Come on, grow, tree. And it's a whoa, wow. We are in the tree. So, is it more efficient to crook the whole tree? Maybe. It might be. I'm not sure. Or just cut the tree down. Depends on whether you want to lose a crook or an axe, I guess. So the axe might be more difficult. Well, the crook, well, they're both easy to make now that I have a sieve, and I can basically just sieve more of the stuff I need. Oh, can I get on top of that? Almost. I can almost get on top of the tree. I tried. So I should be able to cut that down. Normally, tree-capitating it. There we go. Boom. So wood is good. We're going to need that to actually make some charcoal. So let's go back here. And actually, let's put this in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go digging for some moon rock. So I started off a little quarry here, and then when I tried to mine the rock, I found that a wooden pick didn't cut it. But luckily, the stone pickaxe will actually pick up moon rock, so that's good. We're gonna just make a quarry here, start digging down, make kind of a cave, and it's basically just boring digging, but in the end it's worth it because, you know, we want to get off the moon, we want to get to other planets, we want to see things that no other humans have seen before. We're the last human on the moon. I was gonna say the last human on Earth, but we're not on Earth, we're on the moon, so maybe there are villagers on the moon. I know that there are creepers on the moon with oh, okay, so it's dark down here. So how do we light this place up? Let me see here. Let's try something. So do we have any? No. We don't have any coal to make torches with, but it wouldn't matter anyway because there's no oxygen on the moon. What we can do, we can make redstone torches, or we can make glowstone torches, and this is pretty cool. I thought this was neat. That, hey, you know, oxygen, there's no oxygen on the moon to make torches burn, so how would that work? Nope, there's glowstone torches. And we could put these and light things up with a nice yellow glow on the moon. There you go. And so we'll just grab some moon rock from down here. We'll sift it for a little bit and see what we get. I think 51 is a pretty good number to start off with. We just need some, you know, general elements. Some elements. So let's see what we get. Oh, let's free up our inventory here so we can see what we get. Actually, let's throw some of this stuff we don't immediately need in here. Throw that up there. Throw that can of food in here. Those cans of food will become useful later. Not necessarily for the food either. So it looks like we got some kind of rock here. We got raw silicon. We got broken copper ore. And with the broken ore, what you do is you put that in like a 4x4, or not a 4x4, a 2x2 pattern, and it creates a block. And you take a hammer, you break that block, and then you take those, form another 4x4 block with that dust, and then you can smelt it, I believe. So yeah, we're just gonna stand here and sieve for a few seconds, see what we get. Looks like we got some clay, and actually if I get about 3 more pieces of clay, we'll be in business, because then I can do something else that's pretty awesome. Oh, looks like a good piece of coal. That's good. And I think that's, is that iron? Yeah, iron ore. We need 4 of those. So, oh, we got another piece of coal. That's good. I can show you that a torch doesn't work on the moon too. Here we go. I just want to demonstrate this awesome sciencey thing here. I'm wasting these 2 items, but that's okay. So like, if you were to make a torch on the moon, what would happen? Nothing. it goes right out. Isn't that neat? Science, kids. Alright, so we've got 10 dirt. That's I was gonna say wood, I don't know why. We've got more than 10 wood. So let's go back to our dirt quest. There you go. I've got a jar of dirt. Yeah, I'm not gonna sing it. You know the song. Now you have your barrel. You should be able to compost most organic things to make dirt. Try using leaves or saplings in the barrel. We get a can of food and either a silkworm or string. I got silkworm, so we'll get string. There you go. The sun has barely moved since all that time I was sieving earlier. So let's put this stuff in here. String, yeah, I'll put the string in there. So we need another box for our stuff that we're sieving from dirt. We'll put moon dirt stuff in this box. And I didn't normally organize this stuff before, but I'm just going to do it here like this now. Oh, give me that. So and we can actually just go in here and look at the quest and see what, you know, we already know what it gives us. It gives us fallen meteors. And this is actually nice. If we get a fallen meteor, we get about 12 broken iron, which is pretty good. Lapis, we get ice. We're going to need ice basically if we want to make crops, so that's actually pretty good too. So let's keep sifting here. Let's keep sifting. Scratching my head, wondering how long it will take. Oh, well, okay, we left our sun. We left our star in here too long. Let's grab it. Okay. So we should have power in here. We do. So that's good. So the oxygen tank is full. Let's throw the other oxygen tank in here. And let's put our star back in here for now. We don't want to use it all up too soon. That would be bad. Alright, so let's keep sifting. Oh, see, there we go. Now we got a piece of ice. Nice. Actually, what we should do is take that tank that we just filled up and use it. We'll put it on our thing. So I think we had 4 clay before, so as soon as we get 3 clay, we're going to be in good shape. We're going to be in good shape. Because then we can make something fun. Or not fun, something that we'll need. Any day now. So that oxygen thing downstairs is actually collecting oxygen from the leaves in the tree downstairs. So it collects oxygen from, you know, nearby leaf blocks and compresses it, puts it in tanks. Pretty neat. And that was already there, so we didn't have to build that particular thing. Just want one more clay. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. No? You're not gonna give us anything? Yep, this is the most exciting part of the whole mod pack. Sifting. I know it's sieving, but we're basically sifting rocks to get stuff. So no, it didn't want to give us that last piece of clay. I see how it is. So we got broken iron, coal. I don't think coal goes in that one. We're gonna need those glowstone torches. Throw some apples in here. Although we should eat something. We should eat our apples in space. I'm not sure how we're eating it, but there you go. So how's the sun? Still over there, right? Well, let's see if we have any quests we can complete. Well, we've gotten everything except for lapis, fallen meteor, and diamond. So we need to sift more dirt or stone. We need to sift more stone. So let's grab some more stone. And right about here, let's actually start to just make a big cave at this level right here. This seems about good. Yes, that's proper English. Just seems about good. So this is going to be kind of boring, I guess. Put out another torch here. We'll go the other way. We're actually going to make just a big square room down here. We might actually make that our laboratory. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not, but we'll see what happens. We're just doing this because we need dirt and stone. We need stone. We don't need dirt. Well, we can get dirt from saplings, so. And I know there's other quest lines that we haven't even begun to explore, and I should do that next. And I'm out of that. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back up here. Remember, the shovel can get this stuff right here pretty easily. It's just, you know, you have a hard time with the, actually what we want is the dirt, so let's grab the dirt. The turf is okay. I mean, we can get plants from turf. So, as for these meteors, watch this. They react to gravity, which is kind of neat. I'm not sure if you could drop them on a mob, but I mean, they do react to gravity, which is weird because gravity is different on the moon. You'd think it would float there for a little bit more than that and then fall, but whatever. I'm not hating on gravity here. All right, so I'm gonna sieve for a little bit, and I'll be back.